Hey, what's going on YouTube? Real quick chainsaw sharpening video for you. Stihl MS462C. Stihl or furred 2-in-1 file. Using a permanent marker just to show where I'm starting when I get back around. Got about 3 tanks on it. And due for a touch-up, probably do a 2 to 4 stroke until it gets sharp. And I'm going to show you real quick. This is to simulate tailgate sharpening. A lot of videos online are showing you in a vise or a stump vise. This is real quick, nice and easy. As you'll see here, the teeth are pretty sharp. This is going to be a real quick touch up. Now this is how quick and easy it is. File one hand, you can do this one-handed. Get ready to get her in the groove. And line up. As you'll see, it took a nice little bit off. It's nice and sharp. Took a little bit off the depth gauge or the raker, whatever you want to call it. Next tooth. See, I took a little material off. And we are very sharp. And that's all I want to show you. I'm not going to show you the whole chain. I can normally do a chain in 3 to 5 minutes, give or take. At my leisure, definitely about 5 minutes. So hopefully this was helpful. And I can get these at my local shop. This is the furred 7/32 for about $30. You also find them on Amazon, somewhere around there. And I believe the Stihl is $40 at my local dealer, give or take. Not really sure on price right now, but hopefully this was helpful. Like, subscribe, and hopefully this will help you out.